Our iShine Complete Deep Cleaning is a thorough detailing of an entire restroom from floor to ceiling. We start by blowing out light fixtures, ledges, vents, stall partitions, and hard-to-reach areas where dust and dirt tend to settle. Afterwards, we inject suitable chemicals on floors, walls, partitions, and anything waterproof to lift up and remove most grease stains and uric acid buildup in grout and tough places. We continue by hand scrubbing walls and floors, and afterwards we pressure wash sinks, toilets, and urinals. When done, we rinse the floors and walls and reclaim all the water used in the process. Lastly, we hand dry all the fixtures and do the finishing touches. Because we at iShine know the hygiene of your facility is of high importance to you and your patrons, we offer different services for your unique needs, as well as a wide variety of products. Let us at iShine Innovative Hygiene assist you in all your sanitation needs. Our team is awaiting your call.